Finally, a product that makes sense while you're towing. Have you ever been disturbed, thought about losing your trailer while you're towing? Or the security when you park it and connect it? Hitchitsafe has come out with a product. We have 5 models to simply install, preventing accidental separation and security.
Okay.
Whether you have a 3/4 inch shank, a 1 inch shank, or an 1 1/4 shank, this product has it all. Simply to install, put your step washer in place, trailer ball through, tighten it down to 100 foot-pounds of torque. Once it's installed, what you have is full turnability and still being tight. How to use it is back up, put your coupler in place, lock it down, use the stainless steel shackle lock that's cut resistance and freon resistant to keep it in place. There you have it, security and safety in all positions.